What's the meaning of chiminea? Chiminea. Chiminea.
Chiminea. Chiminea. A chiminea is a type of outdoor fireplace or fire pit that has its roots in Mexican culture. It is typically made of clay or metal and designed to contain a small, contained fire. The fire is lit inside the chiminea, which helps to direct smoke upwards and away from those gathered around it. Chimeneas are often used for cooking, as well as for providing warmth and ambience. They have become increasingly popular in recent years as people look for ways to create cozy outdoor living spaces.